in your situation, and I find this a lot of people, when we're young and we're raising our families, we don't think about estate planning because we're not planning on anything happening for years.
Right, we got plenty of time.
Plenty of time, and so having no plan sometimes can really be bad and be a disaster. I mean, the plan is not having a plan. What do we do for you?
Let's see. My husband was hurt where he could not communicate or anything.
We hadn't planned for that.
No.
And
No.
we had to use the court system.
And least of all, the living will
Yeah.
on what medical procedures and things they would want, and staying alive on machines and all of that. I know a lot of times you'll talk about it with your spouse and things after seeing a movie or reading a story, whatever, but talking about it's not putting it in paper, so the doctors don't pay any attention to what you think. Yeah, you're never too young to need all of these things in place. And even my son, I mentioned he was 25, making sure that there are other people's names on as beneficiaries in case something were to happen. Having things in place for if you're unable to handle your own affairs as power of attorney.
Well, power of attorney is a very important document. Everybody needs one because you never know when disaster is going to strike. Stroke, car accident, but anything that takes you out of the game. If you have that set up, then someone's got to go to court and spend a lot of money on a guardian and conservatorship, so absolutely.
And during a difficult time, that makes it even more difficult, having to go through all of that too.
Yeah. I'll have some people, every once in a while I get some people come in and they're in their 80s and they think it's about time maybe they get something done. I said, well, yeah, it probably is.
Yeah, probably so.
But it would sure like to see them a lot earlier than that because anything can happen. And when it does, if you have a plan, great. If you don't, well, we may be able to get things done, but it can be a lot harder and a lot more expensive most likely.